Hi, I am Nakia McLeod, the proud principal of Dr. Nathan A. Pitts-Ashburton Elementary Middle School. Today we received our brand new Teachers Lounge, and we are very excited to have this in our building. This will boost the morale for my teachers. This is a place where my teachers can come to unwind, to relax, to rejuvenate, to kind of get that fresh start for the day. If my teachers are having a bad day, they can come here and get comfort. It's a space that they created themselves, that they designed. And I am very proud and excited to have this in our building. And I am thankful to Christina and her team for all that they've done for us. So to have it before the first day of school, because then, they know that they have this space that they can come to relax and unwind, right? Also to come down and to be able to present this to them. This is like, when you set up your classrooms for the kids to come back and you want to make the classroom inviting and engaging. This was like my inviting and engaging piece for them coming back to the building. I knew once they saw this, that this was going to blow their mind. I did not see it before the teachers saw it. So when I'm coming down to view the space with them, I was so excited for them. It made my heart smile because I felt like this is a place where, hey, you all asked for this space and you received this space. So it's everything that they wanted. And I was glad to make this happen for them.